Okay, welcome to all. Myself, Dr. Rakesh Kumar, Department of IT, SIRT, the SACE Group. This is our Java programming lab, that is subject code, that is the IT 306. And in this today, the topic that we will cover, that is how to download, install Java, set path, and how to run program. Now, please mute yourself. Okay. Now, this is the scheme of your syllabus. This is the scheme. It is visible to all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the scheme. I will share these PPTs, no problem. I will share every PPT and every video that is on recording. Session is on record. So here that is the Java programming lab, that is the IT 306. Total marks, that is 50. And this is your syllabus, that is the flexible curriculum given by the university. I'm saying again that session is on record. So every moment of your dear students that has been recorded. So please remove this line. So here, this is the Java programming lab. And this is the course objective to understand the fundamental of programming, set just like variable, conditional, iterative execution method, and to understand the fundamental of the object-oriented programming in Java. And the student, you will be able to use the Java SDK environment to create, debug, run simple Java programs. And the unit first, that is the overview of Java, installation, simple program, compilation process, Java keywords, identifier, literals, your comments, data type, variable, dynamic initialization, and the type conversion and typecasting, operator, control statement. I think so. You go through with the OPAM or C++ in the last session. You are aware about these terms. In this unit second, that is the object, concerned with the objects. Unit third, that is the applet class. Unit four, that is the AWT, and the unit 5, that is the event handling. This we will cover with the help of the programs. I will explain this with the help that is along with the programs. This will be the course outcome that after completing this course, you will be able to understand the concept of Java programming, the basic terminology used in computer programming, and write, compile, and debug programs in Java language, the different Java data types, decision structure, loops, function, to develop program using Java collection API as well as Java standard class library, and develop Java applets. So these are the some reference book. That is the E. Bala Goswami. That is the core Java 8 for beginners. The complete reference Java 2. I will share the ebook also to you. This is the list of the experiments that we will cover this. There are 14 experiments. Okay. Now I will not explain them. Just simple, you will read it. That write a program to accept two numbers from the user and print their sum. And there will be many more extra experiments also. So there will be long list. This list is provided by the university that these experiments should be there. We will cover many more these your concepts also along with the experiments. So you will be have a huge list of the experiments, and in your notebook it will you will be able to understand comfortably. So these are the 14 experiments. Now the main thing, that how we can download the Java. You go to Google. Okay, you go to Google, that is the, and right there, that is the Java JDK. Yeah. Then you will find a one website, that is the oracle.com Java. You will click on that, and then you will find that the a list that Java, that is version 14, and you can download it from here. I give the website also here. Then that is a Java SC development kit 14. You can download from here. These are the all the steps which you will be able to download this, and when you will go, that is the Java SC Development Kit 14.0.2 version, then at that time you will find that which systems you are using. So here I am using, that is the for the Windows 64-bit. I take this 64-bit because I am using the 64-bit system. First, when you go for the any programming language, you have to write down the configuration of your system. Configuration means that the which processor, RAM, right, and that is the 32-bit or the 64-bit system, that should be noted. Now, just like this, you can download the Java. That is the download JDK 14.0.2. This is the version name. I download this, and this, when you will click on the download, it will ask you the location where you want to download. So I give the location here, that is in the software. I download this, right. Now I will go, when I download it, I go for the installation. When you will go for the installation step, at that time you will click on the exe file, and that is automatically that will be installed. And these are the processes. After that, you will this installation will ask you, yes, for roll number 41. You raise hand. Okay. Then we will click on the next. Now here it will ask the location, that where you want to install the Java. Here by default it will take the location of the in the where your operating system has been installed. In my system, that is installed in the C drive. So here in the C program file, and it will install here. You can also change the path, that where you want to install. In some cases there are very few space in the C drive, so somebody wants to save or install that inside the D drive, E drive, F drive, as the condition may be according to your system. You can change it and you can install it there. So here, just like this, the installation process that will start. And here in this Java, when it will install, at that time you will find a button, that is the close button, and you will click on the close. It means in your system now the Java has been installed. Where it is installed? It is installed where? That is the in the C drive, in the program file. So here inside the program file, that is the Java. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is the drive C. In the C drive, you will open the program file folder, and in that program file folder, you will find a folder that is the Java. Okay. Now here, when you will open the Java, at that time you will find there that the JDK 14.0.2. That is the version that I have installed. Now here, when you will open this JDK folder, then you will find that the Java, just like this. Okay, there are many files in that. Now this then the main problem, that is where I am going to show you practically. That is the now the set path, that is the to install the Java on the Windows. I install the Java. First step is complete. Now you go to the system properties, right? You will go for the system properties, and here now I am going here with the system properties, that I am showing you that how we can set path. This one I go there. I'm stopping my screen. This one. Now this is the installation of Java. Now this is the set path. Now set path is that when you will you have installed Java. Okay. At that time you have to set path, that how when we will run the program, at that time we need it, that the path set from that file that we have installed, the compiler that we have installed in our system. So for that, go to system properties. You will find this system property in the control panel, system and security, system, and this is the advanced system settings, and then click on the environmental variable, that is the button under the advanced tab. Then select the path variable in system variable, and then click on the edit button. Right now, Click on the new button and add path. You just listen, I will explain it practically also. New button, add path where Java is installed, followed by the bin. Okay, Java was in my system. Java was installed in the C drive. In the C, that is the program file. Inside the program file, there was the Java, and inside Java, that was the JDK 11. That is the 14.0 in my system. And after that, you click on that, you will find a folder that will be bin. Click on that and click on the OK. Then open the command prompt and type the Java space hyphen version. There is no space between hyphen and version. So you will give a space between the Java and this hyphen. Okay, Java version. Then if that give you result, it means the Java is running on your system. Now this was the that is the set part. This was the in the return, that is the line by line. Now I am going to show you the view that how we can set the path. This is the main important, because if you will not set the path, your program will not run. Okay, if any problem is there when you are setting path in your system, then you can call me. Now here, that is the go to system and security, right? When you go to control panel, this control panel, see, this is window 10 home edition. This is in the window 10 home edition. So I am giving the clip of that. That is the go to control panel. Click on the system and security. Then this is the go to system and security, and here you will go the advanced setting, or in the yeah, you go to system. First it was system control panel, system and security, then go to system. Okay, click on the system. Then when you will click on the system, this window will come. Okay, and the same window will come when you will select the my computer icon on the desktop, and you will right click. Okay, when you right click and you go to properties, the same window will come there. So then go to advanced setting, advanced system settings, click on that. When you click on the advanced system settings, then you will find this, the advanced, and you will find here in the, on the bottom, that is the environment variable. Okay, you will click on the environment variable. Then you click on the this one, environment variable, and then you click, if you will click on the environment variable, then you will find the user variable for the HP and the system variable. Okay, user variable, you can set you can find the path, path. In both you can find the path, this path and this path. If you will go through the user variable, then it's for the specific user, and here if you will go for the system variable, then anyone can use the system. Now here the difference that doesn't come, because I am the only user in my system. So for me, the user variable, system variable, that is the both are the same. If there are the many users on the same system, then at that time the you go to the system variable. In the system variable, click on the path, click on the path, click on the OK, right? Sorry, click on the path and click on the edit. Click on the edit. This is the, I select the path, and then I will click on the edit. When you will click on the edit, you will find here new, edit, browse, delete. Okay, you will click on the new. When you will click on the new, you will find this one. Okay, and for this one, you then click on the browse. I write everything in the previous slide. Then you click on the browse, and when you will click on the browse, you will find this. Now when you will find it, it means now you will give the link is there. Then you will open your that is the this PC. You will open the this PC, and when you will open the this PC, at that time you click on this, then you will find there the C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive. So for that, you will click on the C drive. In the C drive, you will click on the program file, and after program file, you will find the Java, and inside the Java, when you will click on the Java, when you will click on the Java, at that time you will find that uh, Java 14.0, that's the version that I have installed, and when you click on that, you will find the bin. So you will see here, I click on the, that is the local disk, that is the C, right? Then I click on the program file. Then when I click on the program file, that is the, I find there the Java. Inside Java, I find that is the JDK 14.0.2, and then I find the bin. Now when you will click on the bin, then click on the OK, right? Now you see that this is the path. This is the C program file Java JDK 14.0.2. That is the bin. This is the path. It means you have set the path. Now come to the command prompt window. When you will open the command prompt window, that is just on the left side of your system. That is the search tab. Right there, the command. Then you will find the command prompt window, and you will find here that is the C user HP. These are the directories. Now you will click. You will here this one. You will put Java space hyphen version. When you will put here, that is the version. I put here, that is the this one version. Now this was the that when it will on this one, and you are, I think so, you are, all are aware about, you all are aware about the your DOS commands. So you will find here the DOS commands, right? So for that, that is the this one.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, this is a IDE.
Integrated development environment. So this is that the how you can install or change a program. So go to control panel, go to programs. Inside the program, that is the programs and features. Then this is the Java SC development 4.0.2, that's 64-bit. Okay, you can select it. Now one more thing, that is the Java 8 update 261, right? Uh, this is the very small problem when you are running in the Java program. At that time, this day one, there is the Java 8 update 261. It will give the error. So I removed from my system. There is a Java 8 update 261 because it was giving the error in the systems, and the error was this. This was the error. I run this one. I run the program, that is the Java. I will show you. And the Java programs, Java, I run the program. At that time, an error JNI error has occurred. Please check your installation, try again. Then I found the problem, and I find that the problem was that the Java 8 update 261 was giving the problem. So I remove this from my system, and after that, you will rejoin after 10 minutes. Then we will go for the practical implementation. Okay. Now, and they, at that time, my system, that my program was working properly. So this was all about the installation process. I go fastly, then no pros, because when you will go through that, I will go for a practical implementation also. I will show you now. Now, any question regarding this? I'm repeating again, somewhat fastly, that from where you can get the this one. This is the main. When you will go through the Java programming language, you have to implement this with on. That is here. This was the syllabus. I will not go. I will go here. Simply how to download the Java. Go to Java JDK download. That Java development kit. And when you will go here, you will find a variety of the Java development kit here. So you find according to your system. And my system, that is the 64-bit, right? I take it. That is the exe file. I download the exe file, and when I download the exe file, I run that exe file after downloading. So Java has been installed my system. Now the installation is not is the only the first step. You cannot say that I have installed the system and that the Java has been, my program will run automatically. No, the after installation you have to set the path, and for set the path, that is the these are the some steps that how you can set the path. So here, the first, there is a measure. You have to install your Java in your system. That is my system in the Windows, the Windows 10 Home Edition. Then I will set the path. Go to System Properties, and there I will set the path with the setting the environmental variable. Now here, go to System Properties. Click on the environmental variable, that is the advanced tab, that is under the advanced tab, and select the path from the system variable, click on the edit, then click on the new, and then click on the, that is the browse. Then then go there where the Java is installed, and in the last, when it bin will come, when you will select the bin, then click on the OK, and then click on the OK, and then for the testing, go to command prompt and set there, that is the Java version 2. That is the Java space hyphen version. There is no space between the hyphen and version. I am saying again. You can use it. I will use it in the now the next session. So that is the set path. This was the system and security. I go in system and security. Then I go to the system setting here. I show you the links that where you will find that. Go to system. Then I will go to the advanced system setting. Advanced, inside the advanced system setting, I will find that is the environmental variable. Click on the environmental variable. Then you will find that the two types are the user variable and the system variable. Go to the system variable, click on the path, then click on the edit. Then after that, go to the new, then select the new. When you will select the new, you will find a blank line here. This is the blank box here. Then click on the browse. When you will click on the browse, you will find this tab, this window here, and then you will click on the this PC. Then when you will click on the this PC, you will find all the C, D, E tab there, and then you will click on the program files. Inside the program file, you will find there the Java. Okay, Java folder. When you click on the Java folder, you will find the JDK 14.0.2 inside the Java folder. Then you click that folder, you will find the bin. Now the path is okay. Then you click on the OK, okay, and then click on the last on the that is on the bottom. Then click on OK. Rest all you will click on the OK. Then it means your path has been set. Then come to the command prompt. Right there, the command prompt. As the C drive will come, then cursor will blink there. Then right there, that is the Java space hyphen and version. When you will click on that, the enter, you will, when you will press enter, at that time you will find that a list will come. It means the Java is running on your system. The main one minor problem was faced by me. So I want to share it with you. Maybe that can be maybe with you, because in my system there are many softwares out there. Some systems may be such like that. Okay, I set the path, then I write a program. This is a simple program. I will explain this program in the next session. I take this program, okay, and I want to save this program. Now, this main mistake in my program is that I do this mistake, that is the with my mind. Then your Java program, that should be saved with the class name, that is the my class, and I took here the name, that is the hello world.java. Okay. Now, what is the problem? This is the problem, that when I put here, that is the Java hello world.java, then it give me the error. So it gave me the error. So again, I changed the name of my program, and I save my program with the name of the class. So this is mandatory for the Java program, that you will save your Java program with the class name. So I put my class name, that is the my class, and put here the my class.java. Okay. These are the simple problems that you will face these problems. At that time, I see again, that is the Java my class.java. It means my program has been compiled. When I run my program, that is for run, that is the Java and the class name. To compile the program, that is the Java C. You can say the Java C Java as the compatible. And my class.java, it means my program has been compiled, and a .class file will be on the my system. So when I will run the program, there is Java my class. When you will run the program, that right there, the simple, that is the my class. Then I found an error. There's the JNI error has been occurred. Please check your installation. Try again and again. When I found it, then when I search about this problem, then I found that now, see, this was the one that I was saying, that a Java hyphen space hyphen version. When you install the Java, when you want to check the, when you set the path, or you want to check, at that time you will see that the Java version this. It means your system is okay. Then I found the problem, that is the one software, that is the Java 8 update 261. That was the installed my system, and that software was giving the problem just like this. That is the JNI error. I found that problem. I removed that software, and when I removed that software, at that time, when I run my program, then my program that is work comfortably run. It gives me the results. That is the hello world. So this was all about this session. Any question regarding this session?